Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this pen from a soda can. Let's get started. You need a can that contains at least 330 millilitres of liquid. Don't use these small cans because the aluminium is too thin. You'll also need a bradawl, a pair of scissors, a piece of dowel that's about 15 centimetres long, and the one I'm using is about 10 millimetres thick because it feels more comfortable in my hand when I'm writing and drawing with it. But that does mean I have to sand down the end to make it easier to wrap the blade around. If you haven't got a dowel, you can always use a pencil. And you'll also need a marker pen and a template that's roughly these dimensions. And finally, you'll need some strong tape, which I've cut into thin strips. Take your bradawl and pierce a large hole at the top of the can. Now take your scissors and remove the top section. Be careful because this edge will be very, very sharp. Now cut along the length of the can and remove the bottom section. I'm now going to remove this jagged edge. I'm going to cut this strip into 4 rectangles. Rectangle measures around 70 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Place the template onto one of the rectangles and then carefully draw around it. Cut it out. gently fold the blade in half, but don't completely flatten it. Place the dowel inside and make sure it's sitting within the blade section. And I'm going to make 2 tiny cuts at these corners. Now tape the blade securely to the dowel. I'm going to cut a smooth curve from here to here. And finally, I'm going to add a small bit of tape to the bottom of the blade. And that's it, the pen's ready. Now let's see if it works. You need a free flowing ink, and I'm using Chinese Sumi ink. I'm decanting it into a jar, and then I'm going to add a few drops of water. When I push the pen upwards, I get these really interesting splattered marks. The tip of the nib creates lovely, elegant lines. And I can create thicker lines when I use the underside of the blade. Thank you for watching.